Can you believe we once spotted an object from another solar system whizzing past us? In this video, we're diving into the mysterious journey of Oumuamua, initially believed to be just an asteroid. But as scientists studied it further, a new series of revelations have come to light. Find out why there's now more than meets the eye, and what this discovery might mean for our understanding of the universe. Don't miss out on unraveling one of astronomy's greatest enigmas. Some facts are hard to deny. This mysterious object, zooming by faster than anything we've ever laid eyes on, surely isn't from any corner of our familiar territory. Definitely not from our solar system. Blazing by at an unbelievable speed of 55 miles per second, it made its presence known as it dashed past Earth, leaving both scientists and casual observers in sheer amazement. Just to put that into perspective, imagine hopping into a car and driving from New York to Los Angeles. Normally, that journey would take days, but at this object speed, you'd be coast to coast in just about 8 minutes. Mind-blowing, right? Even our sun, with its immense power and gravitational pull, isn't mighty enough to propel anything at such breakneck speeds. It's not just the speedy part, but also the funky path and the I'm not from here vibe that's got us all puzzled. It's like a cosmic fastball or a space bullet thrown our way, but not from any stadium or gun we know of. It doesn't follow the playbook of usual celestial objects we've studied. Where did it come from? A distant galaxy? A far-off star system? Or perhaps an entirely different dimension altogether? It isn't entirely alien to us when we talk about its look. We could liken it to a short cigar, not wide, but incredibly long. It's not lazily drifting, it's plummeting, tearing through the vast emptiness of space. We've been able to figure out a bit about its size. It's huge, somewhere between the length of 4 to 8 football fields. Its color? A deep, haunting shade of red. Some speculate that its long journey from deep space might have stained it that color, like a badge of its endless voyage. But beyond that, there's so much we don't know about Oumuamua. It's like an ancient riddle, full of secrets. Its beginnings? Still shrouded in mystery, but we're not entirely in the dark. Recent research has given us some leads. Thanks to the European Space Agency's Gaia spacecraft data, our stargazers and astronomers have some ideas. They've been able to shortlist where it might have come from. 3 potential places: either dwarf stars, remote galaxies, or even ancient civilizations. People scratching their heads and a few with alien antennae are playing cosmic detective to solve the mystery of Oumuamua, the cosmic hitchhiker. At first, everyone thought it was just your typical space pebble, probably lost and asking for directions. But nope, it started getting all Hollywood drama on us. Instead of acting like a regular asteroid, it started behaving like it was auditioning for a space opera. An opera that nobody has seen before. You see, when comets, those icy bodies that wander our solar system, come close to the sun, the heat makes the ice inside them start to melt. As it melts, it releases gases which push dust away. This dust and gas combo gives the comet a brilliant shimmering tail that stretches out behind it. Not just that, but it also forms a kind of hazy glowing cloud around the main chunk of the comet. This cloud and tail? That's like a comet's signature move. So here's the weird part. Oumuamua didn't show off any such tail or glowing haze, leading scientists to firmly label it as an asteroid. They thought they had it all figured out. But as with all great mysteries, there was a twist. When these experts took a deeper, more detailed look at Oumuamua, they stumbled upon something they didn't expect, something out of the ordinary. What was it? Well, that's the million-dollar question. The vast and infinite universe is like a grand cosmic puzzle, each piece telling a story of mysteries and wonders. Among its myriad wonders, comets stand out like those unexpected coins or forgotten notes you sometimes discover when you're least expecting, buried deep in the pockets of an old jacket or tucked between the folds of a seldom-used handbag. Historically, these celestial travelers have captivated humanity. For instance, the Great Comet of 1811, which was visible to the naked eye for an astonishing 260 days, became a symbol of hope and wonder in a world without the marvels of modern telescopes. Or Halley's Comet, a cosmic visitor that swings by Earth roughly every 76 years, has been recorded by civilizations for over 2 millennia. Ancient Chinese texts mention its passage, and it's even speculated that the Star of Bethlehem in Christian lore might have been a rare, bright comet. Drawing inspiration from these historic comets, Oumuamua's entrance into our cosmic neighborhood has similarly sparked millions of questions. But there are more scientists who don't want to give up on this mystery. Cliff Walker, an astronomer near the Jet Propulsion Laboratories, has been following Oumuamua since it left our space. Now he says it's coming back. This strange space rock has always puzzled scientists. It slowed down as it left, just like when it passed Earth in 2017. Walker said its speed changed when near Earth, and he watched it for a short while before it shot away. He's been eyeing this rock since we found it, and will keep doing so until it possibly comes back in 2028. I don't understand how its speed dropped from 52,000 feet per second to 0 in just weeks. It seemed to slow down from our perspective, so I thought it was nearing another planet, but then it turned around. Even though it's far from the sun, he mentioned that it's now heading straight for Earth. According to his calculations, it'll be extremely close, only 0.0004 astronomical units away. It might even interfere with the Moon's orbit, but we're not certain yet. Many are scared about Oumuamua coming back. Some even think the world will end and are afraid. It might not be the end, but people are concerned. Many believe something bad will happen when Oumuamua returns. Some are even prepared to leave everything behind for a peaceful exit. Simply put, they're coming to terms with their past. Now here we are, waiting, anticipating, and more than anything, hoping. We're on the lookout for another celestial enigma, something like Oumuamua that would dance across our skies. Would we be prepared the next time? Would our instruments be ready to pierce the shroud of mystery? With the data we've gathered, it's like trying to complete a jigsaw puzzle with missing pieces. We sense the question burning in many of your minds. When faced with the unexplainable, is it not possible that Oumuamua is a herald from an extraterrestrial civilization? Trust me, that possibility crossed our minds more than once. Search for extraterrestrial intelligence, with their vast array of tools, leaped into action. They aimed to check if this celestial traveler was perhaps sending out radio waves, a beacon in the silence of space. And even though time was against us, they managed to scan. But the result? Silence. Absolute cosmic silence. Let me assure you, there's no community more eager than astronomers to shake hands or perhaps tentacles with alien life. Dr. Meach, one of the pioneers in spotting Oumuamua, once shared a wisdom that we all resonate with. To declare the extraordinary, one must be armed with extraordinary evidence. To this day, the weight of that evidence eludes us. Professor Loeb from Harvard had a big idea. He wondered if maybe Oumuamua was a tool or thing made by aliens. This idea was very surprising and different. It made many people start thinking. They started to wonder, is Oumuamua a clue that there might be others like us in space? Now Oumuamua is coming back, and it's a big chance for us to learn new things. With the James Webb Telescope, we can see tiny things about Oumuamua that we couldn't see before. We might see things like small flashes of light, or parts of its outside changing. Oumuamua is acting even stranger now than before. Because of this, many people are very interested in it. They really want to study and learn from it. Right now, lots of plans are being made to look at it up close. People from all over the world, from many countries, are coming together. They want to work as a team to learn as much as they can about Oumuamua. This could help us learn new things about space that we never knew before. The story of Oumuamua is just one chapter in this grand cosmic tale. A tale that's waiting for all of us to delve deeper and unravel. What do you think Oumuamua really is? A stranded cosmic traveler? A sign of something bigger waiting out there? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.